People ask me if I recommend a posture brace or strap. So in this short video, I'm going to share my thoughts on whether a posture brace is useful or not, and whether you should use it or not. And by the way, if you haven't watched my last video, and please be sure to watch it at the link below. If you want to learn how to retrain your body and then movement safely and then effectively, and then move better, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. I am Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner. With my backgrounds in athletic training, physical therapy, martial arts, and the Feldenkrais method, I have helped many people like you overcome and then move beyond the pain and the limitations. Now it's your turn, and let's dive in. So I actually don't have a posture brace, but I'm going to use a TheraBand to kind of show you how a posture brace works. So I'm going to wear this one. So I'm going to make a figure 8, and then I'm going to wear it around my shoulders. So while this is not exactly the posture brace or the posture strap, but you get the idea. So what it does is it pulls the shoulders back, and then it prevents the shoulders from moving forward or rounding. And therefore, it will reinforce the so-called good posture. And this is how it's supposed to work. So what I really don't like about posture brace is that this is by design. It limits your ability to move in a certain directions. It's actually the direction that it's so-called the bad posture, right? And because it constantly pulls the shoulders back, and it makes it so difficult for you to move into this posture, right? Therefore, it corrects your posture. And it's so corrective and it's so forceful, and then it really keeps you in that one position, or makes it harder to move into the bad postural patterns. But my take is that the reason why I don't like it is because I believe that bad posture is just a common habitual movement pattern, and that can be retrained. But when you rely on a device like this one and then to correct it, so this is going to disallow you to move into the habitual bad posture, and you really don't have a chance to retrain your body and retrain your movement. So therefore, you become pretty rigid and then pretty stiff and in that new posture in this design, and it's not really comfortable. And this is why I really don't like it. I'm a big believer in movement retraining, but this has nothing to do with the movement training, retraining. However, there's things that I like about it. So it really depends on how you look at it. And then, so if you see this brace as a feedback mechanism, instead of seeing it as a corrective device, it does make a difference, right? So because it pulls me back into that directions, so it's giving me a feedback. And then also when I'm trying to revert back to the habitual posture, this posture, and this is going to let me know, or makes it harder for me to do that. So every time I move into the habitual poor posture patterns, this device will let me know and remind me of, oh, you're going back to the same old patterns. So it gives me a chance to actually retrain my habitual patterns and the movement patterns. So as long as you use it as a device, as a feedback device, and then it can be useful, but I would not use it as something permanently and for a long time. And because then you're not really going to be retraining the movement patterns, and once you are out of that, and then you could easily going back into the same habitual postural patterns. So my preference, you can use it and for a short period of time and use it to your advantage to retrain your movement patterns. Or or you don't use it, and you just retrain the movement patterns in the nervous system to change your posture. That would be my preference. So in conclusion, whether this device is useful or not, I think it depends on your intention. Me personally, because I'm a movement expert and a Feldenkrais practitioner, I like to use it as a feedback device and a movement retraining device. So I can use it into retraining my movement and my posture. I don't really like to use it as a corrective device because it takes away my opportunity to train my movement. So that's just my thoughts. And hope this is helpful for you, and let me know in the comment below if you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know also. If you want to improve your back pain, be sure to grab your free movement guide to pain-free back at the link below. Check out these videos, and if you like this video, and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below how helpful you found this video was. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy mindful movement. Bye-bye.